Genesis 1, 1-2, Introduction to Creation. Genesis 1:1, In the beginning God created the heavens and the earth. This verse establishes God as the creator and sets the stage for the creation story. Genesis 1:2, The earth was without form and void, and darkness was over the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the face of the waters. This verse describes the initial state of the earth as empty, dark, and formless, with the Spirit of God present and active. Day 1, Light and Darkness. Genesis 1:3-5. God separates light from darkness, creating day and night. This represents the beginning of time and the establishment of order. Day 2, Firmament. Genesis 1:6-8. God creates the firmament, sky, separating waters above, atmosphere, clouds from waters below, oceans, lakes. This establishes the atmosphere and the water cycle. Day 3, Land and Vegetation. Genesis 1:9-13. God gathers waters, creating land and allowing vegetation to grow. This represents the beginning of life on earth. Day 4, Sun, Moon, and Stars. Genesis 1:14-19. God creates the sun, moon, and stars for light, timekeeping, and navigation. This establishes the solar system and the cycles of nature. Day 5, Sea Creatures and Birds. Genesis 1:20-23. God creates sea creatures and birds, populating the oceans and skies. This represents the diversity of life on Earth. Day 6, Land Animals and Humanity. Genesis 1:24-31. God creates land animals and humanity, male and female, in His image. This represents the pinnacle of creation, with humanity being given dominion over the earth. Day 7, Rest and Sanctification. Genesis 2:1-3. God rests from creation, sanctifying the seventh day. This establishes the Sabbath as a day of rest and worship. This creation account highlights God's intentional design, order, and care in forming the world and humanity.